In this video, I am going to show you how to make a very easy, tasty eggless chocolate cake. This is so rich in chocolate and tastes just awesome. So here I have taken almost 200 gram of milk chocolate and I have melted it using double boilers method. You can also melt it in microwave. Then add almost 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Now for our oven setup, I have already added some salt and kept a stand in a big kadai, and now we need to cover this and preheat for at least 10 minutes on medium flame. Now back to the batter, add almost 3 tablespoons of normal cooking oil. If you have vegetable oil, then add that. Now using a whisk, give this a slight mix and then add 1/4 cup of curd. This is my homemade curd. You can add any curd that is available to you. Again, give this a nice whisk. We do not want any lumps, so I suggest you to use a whisk. Then here I am adding lemon juice from half medium sized lemon. Again, give this all a slight mix. Time to sift the dry ingredients. So here goes 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. You can also use wheat flour. Then 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, baking powder followed by some baking soda. So powdered sugar we added a bit less because we have already added condensed milk and milk chocolate. Now give this all a very good mix. Use a whisk instead, I'll suggest, to mix this. I am adding 5 tablespoons of milk which is at room temperature to make this batter a bit thin. Now switching to whisk. Add almost 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or vanilla extract. Now it's time to pour this batter into a mold or whatever utensil you have. I've already oiled this and covered with butter paper. Level it up using a small spatula or a spoon, give it a tap and place this into our homemade oven. Cover this and bake for at least 35 to 40 minutes. I mean, it depends. Keep an eye on your cake. Now it's totally done. It's completely baked and I have cooled it completely. I am cutting the cake into 2 layers. So here goes the first layer. Use a serrated knife instead to cut the cake. Here goes the second layer. So here for the ganache we need total 400 gram of chocolate, dark chocolate. I didn't have much dark chocolate, so I mixed some milk chocolate, but it was total 400 gram. I melted it using double boiler method. You can melt it in microwave instead. Into this I am going to add 225 ml of warm Amul cream, the one which comes in blue tetra pack. It should be warm, not boiling hot, otherwise your mixture will be very thick, and at start you will notice that your mixture will thicken and harden a lot, but don't worry, keep on stirring, keep on whisking using a whisk, and it will be all fine. You will get your perfect consistency. Still, if you think that your ganache is hard, then you can keep it on double boiler and it will become thin, but mine is fine, so I'm not doing anything like that. Then here comes the cake. Spread some sugar syrup. Spread generous amount of sugar syrup because this is what makes your cake moist and soft. Then here I am applying some ganache. I am applying a generous amount. You can apply a thin or thick layer depending upon how much you want. Then here comes the second layer of the cake. Again some sugar syrup and then some ganache. Right now I am covering the entire cake with the ganache because I felt this consistency was alright, but still later I am going to refrigerate this for some time. You can see how nicely I have covered the entire cake. Refrigerate this for 15 to 20 minutes. After removing your cake from refrigerator, scrape your cake using a spatula or a offspring spatula, whatever you have, and you can see how nicely you can scrape your cake. I mean, you can give it a smooth texture. Here I am leaving some lines because I like it a bit wrinkly. Now it is smooth enough, I guess. For some designs, I am using the same piping bag, I mean the same nozzle that I use for my lemon cake, then some sprinkles. Now designing is obviously all up to you. How beautiful this cake looks. Trust me, it tastes exactly the same. Now let me cut into this beautiful cake and flaunt you the layers, chocolate layers of this cake. Also, I made this chocolate cake, I guess, for the first time. Yes, and I shared this with my friends and my family, and the review, I mean the feedback, was very good. Trust me, try making this cake and tell me how this turns out.